importante, may mga maiitim ang kuko.
Ay, may pumasok na.
Bakit naman? Oh, very good. Patingin kayo. Wow, nagpagupit si Oxy. Ganda ng gupit ni Oxy yan. Patingin na. O, tingnan mo. Ang linis tingnan. Pati si Ezra.
Ay, dyan, tumina na.
Ay, hands up. Hands up only. I do not have to shake your hands. Hands up. Up. Ginagalaw ba ni Teacher yung kamay niya? Hindi. O, bakit yung ginagalaw yung kamay niyo? Down. Up. Down. Forward. Hands forward. Raise. Stretch your arms. Straight ang kamay. Ganyan, o. Up. Masikip na mo yung down. Hands up. Hands forward. Hands down. Bakit naman yung hands forward dito? Ganyan. Hands forward. Raise. Up. Mali. Straight ang kamay. Oh, amazing. Yan. O, ikaw, patingin. Hands forward. Raise. Yan. Galing. Okay. Let's sing it. Yung look at me, right? Yung look at mo, naalala niyo ba? Okay. 1, 2, right, beat, sing. Look at me, I'm an elephant. I walk and walk and walk and walk like an elephant. Again, yung iba hindi gumagalaw. Naku, ah. 1, 2, ready, sing. Look at me, I'm an elephant. Kumanta kayo, again. Kayo uupo eh. Look.
Jared, kumalik.
Look at me, I'm an elephant. Elephant. O, yun. O, 1, 2, ready, sing. Look at me, I'm an elephant. I walk and walk and walk and walk like an elephant. Look at me, I'm a kangaroo. And hop and hop and hop and hop like a kangaroo. Butterfly. Look at me, I'm a butterfly. I fly and fly and fly and fly like a butterfly. Okay. Gantayin niyo natin yung ano? Little Indian. Ready? Sing. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little Indian, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little Indian, 7 little, 9 little Indian, 10 little Indian boy. Once more. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little Indian, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little Indian, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little Indian, 10 little Indian boys. Gusto niyo ba? One more? Okay, kami natin. In 17. Ready? Attention your hand. Ano yung dalawa? Hindi sila tumasayo. Pakita niyo yung star. Walang star ang mga yan. 1, 2, ready, go. In sky, dark and above the water spout. Down came the rain and knocked the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rains. The spider and back to stop again. Rocking the boat. Go! Sit down, you're rocking the boat. Ang hindi sumasayaw, hindi mamaya kahain. Sit down, you're rocking the boat. Very good. Sit down, you're rocking the boat. Sit down, you're rocking the boat. Kasapit daw ng paa. Okay, everybody take your seat. Ako din ako. Bakit wala na yung plan?
Ox.
Sino kumuha yung plan natin?
Hintay kita, hintay. Maya alis na. Hindi po, maya alis na ako. Maya.
Everybody close your eyes. Amazing. Close your eyes. I did not ask you to close your eyes. Just close your eyes. Close it. Open. Close it. Open. Ito ang tanong ni teacher bakit kayo pumasok dito sa school? Ha? Bakit kayo pumasok dito sa school? Para? Ano po? Oo, sabi ni Earth, para matuto daw. Ano ang gagawin ninyo para matuto kayo? Mag-aaral. Paano kayo mag-aaral? Pag nagsasalita si teacher, anong gagawin ninyo? Ay, magsusulat daw. Very good. Totoo ba yan? Ay, very good. Miss Hazel, magsusulat na daw sila, oh.
Magpapakain na yun na. Nalumisan na.
Ay, ang galing naman. Pag magsusulat kayong lahat, very happy. I'm so happy. Ano gagawin niyo? Ano sabi ni Teacher Aida?
Listen ka sa teacher mo.
Kaya mo. Kaya mo. Tingin. Kaya mo. Circle. Big circle. Small circle. Oh, now. Small circle. Big circle. Small circle. Big circle. Alam mo nga? Big circle. Ay, lumiba, walang kamay. Big circle. Small circle. Small circle. Yan. Galing. O, sa lahat